In this video, I will show you how we can use the Excel text to speech to correct typing errors. So generally, when we type something or type the data in Excel, we made some mistakes like we can mistype any spelling, and then we will have to check or we will have to correct these errors using the spelling and spelling tool and but if you can write something and the Excel will you know speak what you have typed. So these are the options that are not available in the ribbon tab. So we will have to create, either we can use the quick access toolbar, or we can add a custom tab like I have shown in my previous videos, how to add a custom tab. So let's dive into it straight of first of all. So first of all, click on file and then click on options and then customize ribbon. And here I want to have my tab after the developer tab. So I have clicked here and click on new tab and then rename this tab as speech and click on new group, and here you will find the commands note in the ribbon and press S from your keyboard, and here you will find speech speak cells option. Click on add, click on speak cell, stop speaking, speak cell by columns with row speak cell on enter, and click on OK. So here you will have your speech tab. Now what we want is on entering any, the text what I have written will be spoken by the speaker, or you can plug in your headphones. Like I have typed my name, Tarun, so it will speak whatever I have typed. So we can correct error if we have made any mistake. So I type my second name, so it will simultaneously speak. So if you want this text to speech engine to speak by rows, you can click on by rows and it will speak by rows. Now, so if you want it to speak by columns, you can speak by columns. And if you want to stop speaking and stop on enter, so it can help you in correcting your mistake. Whatever you have typed, it will speak. So in this way, you can correct the correct your errors with the help of text to speech. Thanks for watching.